Alright guys, I'm back with a new video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, sort of two items, but I'm only really going to go into depth on one item. First is this Supreme Swarovski box logo, which I got a few days ago, in red medium. Honestly, I wish I had tried to cop for probably a white tee or even a hoodie, just because it was really easy to cop manually on the hoodies and all this Swarovski stuff, I guess. And then we're going to be doing the Travis Scott Jordan 1. You know, everyone on my last video where I said how I copped it, everyone was laughing. They didn't think I actually copped it. Now I'm laughing at them because I actually got it early. They don't. The real release is May 11th in a few days on the weekend. Let's just go into the box logo first. So, I think you guys can see this right here. We got the Supreme Swarovski box logo right here. Hand put on crystals, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't want to take it out right now because I already, I'll put up a few pictures right here. So that's a few pictures of what the Supreme Swarovski box logo looks like, you know, up in person, shining a flash on it, all that. But now we're going to get into the shoes. Brown box, you guys already know what it is. The Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott, guys. This is major fire. In a size 9 too. That's super fire. I already looked at it. It's insane. Just this paper is crazy. You got the cactus, or the smiley face, I guess. Nike Air pink paper, sort of like what they do with Off-White. You have that special wax paper, I think it is. Then you got the normal paper for the shoe. And oh my god. Oh my, guys, this is insane. Of course, on this side, we got the normal swoosh, everything. On the back, we have that smiley face. The suede nubuck, whatever it is actually pretty fire on these. Then the main side, what makes it so unique, we got that massive reverse swoosh, guys. We got the reverse swoosh. You know, there are pairs, normal Jordan ones, which are factory defected with the backward swoosh selling for like 100K. I think Cool Kicks LA is selling their gold toes for like 100K right now. But now if a Travis Scott comes with both normal swooshes instead of this backward swoosh, that's 100K right there. I love how it comes in 4 different lace sets. We got the brown, white, red, this light pink, and then of course the factory laces, which are black. And these aren't my size, and these are an early pair, so obviously I'm going to sell it so I can get maximum profit than waiting to sell. I'm probably going to get a personal pair for these right when they actually release, because I think I can probably get 1 or 2 more pairs of these at least. So of course I'm going to keep at least 1 personal, most likely, as of now. And these are just major fire, guys. Look at that swoosh. The quality on these is pretty good, I would say. Again, I don't know if you guys can see that fully. Oh my god, this box is falling. It says like Cactus Jack right here, guys. It says Cactus Jack and like a white writing. It's actually kind of fire addition in my opinion. Smiley face. Then on the front you have your normal Nike Air in the middle. Then we got a Cactus Jack patch actually on the side here, which actually looks pretty fire in my opinion. I like that black and red, how it pops on the shoe. Just the overall dark mocha white sail colorway, I guess, is fire anyways in my opinion. So as I was saying, we got the secret patch right here, which is major fire on the side of the normal swoosh. So I'm going to just open this up for you guys. Velcro patch, super fire. And then the patch, I guess, comes in a red inner. So we got a patch right here, you know, for the crep wipes. I don't know if you guys saw a picture where someone spilled like a pink drink all over their Travis Scotts. That was insane. That's super fire. That's not fire. What am I saying? That's really sad, guys. That's such an L for them. That's why you gotta keep the crep wipes in the pocket to clean them up. You know, bottoms are that dark mocha brown, I guess. So here's the first shoe with the 4 extra lace sets. So I'm going to just grab the second shoe. And here we have a normal pair. This is insane, guys. Oh my. I can't believe I'm holding this pair early, guys. I copped it manual on the Travis shock drop for on his birthday. I wish... Okay, so now I have Bogo bot. Shout out to the dude that gave it to me. You know who you are. And I got it like the day after that these dropped on his birthday, so I couldn't have run it, really cooked stock on these, so I could only get one manual. But we'll cook on the main drop on the other Shopify sites, it's all good. So here we got the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. This is just insane, guys. Look at this. Other than that, that's gonna wrap up the video. We got these Travis Scott ones, the Supreme Bogo. This is just crazy. I'm gonna probably upload a video hopefully soon. I'm probably not going for Supreme this week just because I'm not really into anything. But other than that, it's my boy Slope Sneakers, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.